In the 2019 version, we have improved the check initial estimates feature by adding the possibility to add a reference curve. In this example, I have a fairly complex model for a drug that binds to a receptor. Both the drug concentration and the total receptor concentrations have been measured. I have no a priori information about the parameter values, and I will use the check initial estimates to choose reasonable starting values. Let's check the total receptor concentration. When I change the parameter values, for instance I change K-on from 5 to 10, I can see that the prediction in red is changing, but it is hard to see exactly what is going on because the y-axis limits also change. To better understand the impact of the parameters, I can go to Reference and click Set Current as Reference. This will freeze my current prediction, and I will now change the parameter back to 5. I can see in dashed my old prediction and in play my new prediction. I can also use the reference to remember the parameter values. If I now change many things in the model, for instance ksin, but also kint, and I finally think that my original curve was better, then I can go to Reference and click Restore Reference Parameters. I will now check the impact of kint, so I will again set current as reference, and now increase kint by a factor 2. I see I'm getting closer to my data, so at any time I can go back here and either set current as reference to replace the reference or delete the reference. Have a nice week!